Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to use Google Docs offline. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. First of all, let's head on to Google Docs, docs.google.com and hit enter. You can see here I am in Google Docs. Then over the top left you will find these three dots. Tap on this and go to Setting. Then over here you can find the option called Offline. Create, open and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. Then you can simply turn this on by clicking over here and you will be asked to install one extension. Tap on this install. Over here you will be redirected to Google Docs offline. Then simply tap on Add to Chrome and add extension. You can see here our Google Docs offline extension is added. Now again go to Google Docs and turn on this offline mode and hit on OK. Our offline mode is activated. Now I will open one document and I will write something. Welcome to TrendTechGuide. You can see here I have written one text called Welcome to TrendTechGuide. Now what I'll do is I'll turn off my Wi-Fi and refresh this page. You can see here working offline and we can add our text. Yes, I have added my text. So in this way we can use Google Docs offline. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.